In this video, we'll look at how to delete page ranges with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Use the plugin to delete individual pages and page ranges easily. You can also specify pages to delete via bookmarks, named destinations, or page labels. We'll also look at how to automate this feature with the Action Wizard tool. Let's begin by looking at how to specify pages to delete. With the necessary documents open in Acrobat, select Plugins in the upper menu, then Split Documents, and delete page ranges. The keywords to be used for indirectly specifying pages are listed here. In this box, simply list pages and page ranges that are to be deleted. These do not have to be in a specific order. Use a comma as a separator between entries and no spaces. Press OK when ready to delete them. All of these listed pages will be removed from the document. You can also use this feature to remove specific bookmarks. Simply reference them with the B keyword placed before the bookmark title. This deletes the pages the bookmarks were linked to. Or delete pages with specific page destinations. An example would be some sort of ID number, names, or dates. We'll use these client ID numbers to demonstrate. Reference these destinations with the D keyword placed before them. Both pages featuring these sample destinations will be deleted. Reference page labels in the same way using the L keyword. Pages with these labels will be deleted. You can also combine keywords to delete pages using all of these methods together. Now let's take a look at how to inspect the results. AutoSplit removes all specified pages and confirms this with a report box. If any errors occur, the user is prompted to see a report. All errors will be listed here. Now let's look at how to use Action Wizard to delete pages. Begin by opening the Tools panel in the upper menu. Then find and double-click on the Action Wizard icon. Now select New Action from the toolbar. In this window, expand the More Tools category. Find and select the Delete Page Ranges option. Either double-click on it or press the plus icon in the center. This will add the command to the action steps on the right. Now press Specify Settings. Here you can list pages to delete or reference them with keywords. Press OK once this is done. Uncheck Prompt User to stop the action always displaying settings when executed. Now expand the Save and Export section. We're going to add the Save command to save processed files. Press this icon to open the Save menu and select how to save the files. Press Specify Settings to add more options. Once these are set, press OK. Press Save when the command is configured. Use this dialog box to name this action and optionally add a description. Once done, press Save to confirm. The action will be added to the actions list on the right. Click on the action to execute it. Click Add Files to select additional files to process, and press Start to delete pages. Visit Evermap.com for further product resources.